Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are running a Shopify store and struggling to manage product details, descriptions, SEO, and variants, this video is for you. Today I am reviewing Toriut, one of the best product information management or PIM tools for Shopify in 2025. Let's see how it works, what it does, and why it could save you hours. So, Toriut is a modern PIM system built specifically for Shopify. It helps you organize, update, and enrich product data across your store, all from one clean dashboard. Think of it like a central control panel for titles, descriptions, images, tags, meta fields, variants, and even bulk edits. So now go to shopify.com, log into your React admin dashboard. Now go to app section. Now click app and sales channel settings. Then click Shopify App Store. In the search bar, search Toriut. Centralized product editing. Update thousands of products at once. No more going into each one manually in Shopify. Okay, now Toriut for Shopify. Toriut PIM. Toriut. Search for Toriut. AI-powered descriptions generate optimized, consistent product descriptions with AI tools inside Toriut. Toriut SEO optimization. Toriut helps you add meta titles, descriptions, and tags, boosting your organic rankings without extra apps, version control, and history. You can revert changes, track edits, and keep a history log of product updates. Shopify Sync everything you edit in Toriut syncs instantly with your Shopify store, perfect for brands with large inventories, dropshippers, or agencies managing multiple stores. If you are serious about managing product data efficiently, Toriut is a must-have for any Shopify seller in 2025. It saves time, boosts SEO, and improves product consistency across the board. Right, want me to make a full tutorial on how to optimize your entire catalog using Toriut? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.